Hello, my adoring fans. My father suggested I invent some way to like distribute this to him via my videos. I failed, so I'm sorry, but I will try again tomorrow. But for now, you're gonna have to just suck it up and watch the video, I'm afraid. But I went into the office, and then I went to basketball. And guess who I bumped into at basketball? Have a guess. It was Maddie. Of course, it was Maddie. Even though I woke up today and I'd gained a bunch of weight, I can still do a little bit of dunking on the hoop that I've mastered, and I can do it with only one step, so things are going well. We got some bubble tea. I don't think I actually had any tea in my bubble tea, but it was so good. It turns out milk, brown sugar, Oreo, and tapioca pearls is a glorious combo. Anyway, work, and then I walked back to the flat, ate some food, and then I did nothing because Maddie was at basketball. I literally just sat around. Oh, that's not true. I did a bit of like money investing and stuff. But now she's back and we've been watching another Top Gear special. So anyway, hope you all had a good day. And adieu!